We're having a special section here. We went to Lakes Park and we got to tell this turtle not to go out onto the highway because he's being very silly. You're being very silly. I wonder if he's a gopher tortoise. I got to get his picture, bare minimum. I think he's a gopher tortoise. Oh, he got tired of me. There, he's going back, hon. Oh no, he's gonna hit the fence. He's got a hole in the fence. Hon, he's got a hole in the fence. He's going right towards it. He's a very smart turtle. There he goes, right through the hole. Now that's too cool. Where are you going, buddy? He's on a mission. Well, good. That's amazing. He knows right where that hole in the fence is. What? Where'd he go? Okay, we'll leave him alone.
That's a good turtle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because he was kind of headed out towards the street. They said watch out on this because it's two-way. They should have a dividing line. I want to look at that sign still. I think he might have been a gopher tortoise. Whoa, there's a squirrel. Gray squirrel. See, here's the one way you were talking about. Okay, I gotta look at the sign quick. See if it says there was a turtle to be seen.
Yep.
Yep, he's a gopher tortoise. I knew it.
We just seen the little squirrel. What kind of squirrel?
Gray squirrel. It says wildlife you may see: gopher tortoise, brown and owl, cardinal, pileated woodpecker, hawk, blue jay, woodpecker, gray squirrel. Well, we seen the gopher tortoise, so that was awesome.
Woodpecker.
Yep, two different kinds. Pileated or red belly. Remember we went to Marco Island, or no, Sanibel, And we went to Sanibel. Never did see a gopher tortoise.
No. I had chased one away from
Oh, look, there's a baby gopher tortoise.
Oh, baby, get a picture of him.
Picture of him?
Get a picture of him. Dude, you better get out of the road. Somebody will run over you. Somebody get him out of the road. Come on. Get going.
They'll think he's a leaf.
Come on. Get going.
Yeah, just take him over there. Now you gotta wash your hands.
I just touched him with these two tips.
Oh, cool. That relive will tell me where that entrance is. Okay, he'll be okay. He don't like people. That fixed my phone. That's better.
I'm sure you don't realize what just happened.
Was he a gopher tortoise? That's kind of cool. He wasn't very old. Well, hang a right. We're pretty much. Oh, look, there's one of them sit-up ramps. Oh. Bird. Hunting bird. Passing on the left. When we get in better shape, we can stop at all them exercise stations. Look, here's another one. Oh my gosh. I want to go do that rowboat that we did that one time. Having any luck?
No.
No? Howdy. Want to stop at the playground? Look what this says. Hey, skinny legs are a thing of beauty. So are bricks, benches, and trees. Shelter. These are cool. There's the water. There's the pay to park. Suppose I should get that on video. Nah, 'cause I ain't parking. Oh, it's a water park. Here's what Woodhaven needs. When thunder roars, go indoors. And should I share this video with Woodhaven?
Look at the little blowfish. No.
Okay.
That's a pelican and his beak is full of water.
Yeah, he dumps it on your head when it's turned on. Oh, here's the parking station. Since I don't gotta go out of my way. get a fishing license here. It doesn't say how much to park, but I think it was $5. Okay, let's boogie. The camera's rolling. What? Okay, we're gonna take a pause here.